Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup. Like I don't use a foundation usually. It's only when I want to do any photo shoots or anything. And if I want to go for any wedding functions or parties, this is how I do my makeup. It's very simple, it's very quick. It hardly takes 5 minutes. So let's get started. अभी मैंने स्किन पे कुछ भी नहीं लगाया है एंड मैं पहले मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाऊंगी. मैंने सिर्फ आई हैव जस्ट वॉश्ड माय फेस एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट माय स्किन लुक्स लाइक. एंड लेट मी यूज़ दिस मॉइस्चराइज़र. इट्स फ्रॉम Effortless. It looks like this. This works as a primer, moisturizer, makeup base, makeup remover, milk, moisturizing mask, whatnot. You can see it's written here. So it does the job also. It clearly does what it says. I'm going to take generous amount, this much. I love putting moisturizer. You can give me 10 moisturizer, I'm going to put it. But makeup, I like to keep it as minimum as possible. Now I'm going to use one more moisturizer, which is from Bobbi Brown. It's called Enrich Face Base. So I'm going to use this. I love this moisturizer as well. Now I'm not used to making makeup videos, so I have to look how I'm looking also, and I have to look in the camera also, so it's a bit confusing, but I'll get hang of it. Just let me just close it. Skin is shiny. I love it. I love putting on moisturizer so much. Under eye also. Your under eye tends to get so dry. Moisturizers मेरा बस चले तो मैं और एक भी लगा दूँ, 3 भी लगा दूँ, 4 लगाऊँ, 5 लगाऊँ, 10 लगा दूँ, because I like to look like glazed donut. So yes, after this I'm going to apply this stroke cream. It's from MAC. सब चला गया है. And it is in the shade peach light. There are more variants as well, like pink light, pearl light. I want to go for a coral look, overall coral look. So I'm going to use peach light, and I'm going to apply on my cheeks, on my nose, my forehead, basically T-zone area, exactly where the light hits. So this is my skin prep, and now I'm going to use this tinted moisturizer. It's from Smashbox. This is a smaller tube. You get a bigger tube as well. It's called Halo Smashbox, and also it has SPF 25 as well, so you don't need to add one more product. It's a very good product, and this is in the shade Natural Light. Still it's dark for me, but they have very limited shades, so I make it work. We'll make it work. And you don't even have to use a brush or a sponge. Just with your fingers, it blends very well. So this is what my skin looks like. I know it's looking very shiny. We'll apply some compact, and it will look very good. Yes, baby, my baby. So I'm going to use this. Oh my god, can you see this? What Kenneth has done? So this compact is from Bobbi Brown. What happened? I don't leave her alone at all. She's with me all the time. Because Kenneth को ना अभी still he is very small. उसको समझ नहीं है. He thinks she's a toy. So he's like, eye, nose, lips. So yes, I'm not even going to edit this video. This is how I do it, and this much time I take it. I don't even fill in, cover my under eyes or anything. Imperfections are so beautiful. I've realized later in my life that or some imperfections, discoloration, pigmentation. It's so beautiful, especially freckles. They look so beautiful. And now I'm going to use, yes, what happened? Now I'm going to use this blush. This is from Nude Sticks. It's called Sunkissed, and it is so good. Let me tell you, it is so good. This is like that terracotta, coral, very beautiful. So I'm gonna just dab it, and I'm gonna start from here. Oh my god, this blush, and it blends also very seamlessly. This will give you that sun-kissed look, you know. If you wear this blush on the beach or anything, it's gonna look so beautiful, so beautiful. Wow. किसके पास टाइम है अभी, you know, to do all those 10,000 steps? ये करो, वो करो, cover your under eyes and cover your pigmentation, discoloration, and this, that, contouring and all. No, no, no. We don't have time. I love applying blush. So I'm just gonna add some extra, you know what I mean, to give that doll-like effect. A little bit on your chin. And also, because I have applied stroke cream, it is giving me this shine as well, so no need to apply highlighter. Highlighter I don't like at all. I like my skin to glow from within instead of applying highlighter. So this is how my skin looks. I think I need a little bit of brow filling. So I'm going to use this pencil. It's from Benefit. It's called Precisely My Brow. Just a little bit of filling. No going crazy. Let me just check in this mirror as well. Ooh, I did a good job. Then if you girls want, you all can apply mascara, kajal, liner, whatever you prefer. I don't apply. I like to keep it very simple because, you know, during the daylight, if you apply a lot of eye makeup or, you know, a lot of kajal or anything, it shows like it's too heavy. So I don't apply it. If you girls prefer, you can apply. Where are my lipsticks? Yes, the main part is my lipstick. So now I'm going to use this lip pencil. It's from MAC. It's called Spice. And I'm going to mix this two. One is from Runway Hit and one is from MAC and it's called Runway Hit, and one is called Honey Love. So I'm going to mix this. First let me line my lips. Ooh, you want to do makeup? You want to do makeup? Later on, okay? Not now. Then you turn 18. As if she's going to listen to me. So I have lined my lips. Now first I'm going to use Honey Love. Now I'm going to add this Runway Hit by MAC. Yes. And now little bit over here to add some color. क्या मैं ऐसे ही करती हूँ मेकअप, देख लो. मैं कोई इतना 50 प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. किसके पास टाइम है? This is how my makeup is looking. I guess it's looking pretty good, and I haven't used many products. Oh, my baby just left. I haven't used many products. I've just used 2 moisturizer, 1 tinted moisturizer, some compact lipstick and blush. That's it. And since I was talking and making video, it took more than 10 minutes. Otherwise it just takes 5 minutes and it looks fab, it looks gorge. I mean, just concentrate on the skin. So if you girls like this video, then do let me know. And also don't forget to share, subscribe, like. I'm here to help you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.